Hi, good day to all of you. Are you looking for an employee attendance management system project? We, PALMTREE Analytics, are here to help you. You can contact us. This system is named as Attendance Management System. This system is made to keep records about the attendance of the employees. Let's get into the details here. Welcome to the Attendance Management System. It is very simple to use and operate. Here is the login page. Whoever signed up for this system, or whoever having credentials through admin can enter the system. After entering into the login page, there are two buttons, Start and End. Start button indicates the employee is starting his activity for the day he presented. And End button indicates he or she is closing the office activities for that day. The total number of hours minutes will be saved into the database accordingly. At the top right corner, where three horizontal lines are presented, after clicking that we can see a drop-down. In that drop-down few options are mentioned like availability, analytics, analytics for all. Individual employee can view his details, whereas admin or other office senior executives can view all other employees' availability in a day, for month or for particular date range. Admin can even view the number of days worked by all employees in a month or for particular date range. These views are well represented by beautiful visual representations. With this one get the bird view of all the employees and their working hours in a single shot. The admin can manage all the accounts and the registered users like employees and all other executives. Employees can only update their own accounts. Hope you enjoyed the home tour of this system. Please contact admin for further details.